Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make an easy and tasty fruit salad. Let's take a look at the ingredients required. Milk, vermicelli, custard powder, condensed milk. There are more ingredients, we'll be saying them further in the video. With that said, let's get started. First pour milk in your pan and then let your milk boil. Now add vermicelli to the boiled milk and wait till the vermicelli is cooked and keep stirring it. Next add half a tin of condensed milk. Now stir and mix properly. Next add 3 teaspoons of custard powder to a separate bowl. And add milk to it. Mix it till the custard powder is fully dissolved into the milk. Add the custard milk mix and stir it. Mix it properly so there will be no lumps. After mixing, wait for it to boil. And now our custard mix is ready. Let's see the rest of the ingredients required. Tutti frutti chopped almonds, chopped dates and black raisins. We also need mango, apple, grapes, banana. You can use fruits of your choice too. Now let's prepare the couscous. Add 2 tablespoons of couscous and then add water. Now let's cut the fruits. First we are going to cut the banana. Enjoy the ASMR. Mix all the fruits together. Add the almonds, tutti fruttis, dates and raisins and mix it properly. Add 2 tablespoons of condensed milk next. Mix it and keep it for 15 minutes. Next add the custard mix to the fruit mix. Next add the soaked couscous. Our fruit custard is ready. Now let's serve it. First decorate your serving glass with ruah afza. Next add some ice cream. Add the fruit salad next. Add more ice cream on the top. Garnish it with your desired ingredients. And it's ready to be served. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. Till our next video, bye bye.